Math 1, final benchmark number 17. A gym charges a one-time joining fee in addition to an ongoing monthly rate. The table shows the linear relationship between the total cost of a gym membership and the length of a gym membership in months. All right, so if this is a linear relationship, we know that it's going to have a constant change. Okay, what is the ongoing monthly rate the gym charges its members? All right, so we can find rate of change. This is rate of change, okay? And rate of change is similar to slope. It's like your slope formula. So it's going to be M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so that's the formula that you're going to use to find out what is the ongoing rate each month. All right, so we can use any 2 points. Let's use this point and this point. And we can say our y minus our y, so 685 minus 3, sorry, that should be on the top here. 685 y minus 325 over 14 minus 5. All right, so this is our y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And 685 minus 325 is 360. 14 minus 5 is 9. And 360 divided by 9 is 40. So it's going to be an ongoing monthly rate of $40 per month. Now, if you use 2 different points, it should still work because this is a linear relationship. It's the same change between each set of points. All right, so the answer to number 17 is A.